Hey dolls, so I'm back again. So this is going to be another fashion video for you dolls, featuring some items from a new shop that I have never worked with before. This company is called No Style, K-N-O-W style, like no style, like you know you got style, not like N-O, no style. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. So this is how the packaging came. It came in a little blue bag like this, and then everything was wrapped up in, you know, like those little plastic bags. But I have already tried everything on, so I have all the items right here to show you. Okay, so everything that I got is summer stuff mostly, and then I have one piece that's kind of more spring, or not really winter, because I would say this is more of a spring piece that you want to wear on a day when it's kind of a little chilly, but it's not hot or cold, you know, like in between. So this is the first piece that I got. It's a two-piece set that comes with pants that are super cute. It does have pockets on it. I really like the lace-up detail in the front, and the fair is actually coming here, or it actually started today. So this may be something that I would end up wearing to the fair, because you guys know at nighttime, whenever it's going into the spring, it's still kind of a little bit chilly, but it's still warm. So this will be a great piece to wear for something like that. So this is how the bottoms look. It is gathered. So this would be super cute paired with some sneakers if I want to be more casual, especially for that type of event. But you can also wear it out with some heels and make it really dressy. The material on this is great. Like, it's a nice thick sweatsuit type of material, if that makes sense. But it's not too thick like you're going to be sweating or anything. I wish you dolls can feel it. The material is really, really good on this piece, and I got this in the black. I think it also came in gray, if I'm not mistaken. So then here is the top for this piece, which is super cute. It goes off the shoulder, and you also have that lace-up detail right in the middle. Again, so it gives you that little sexy vibe because it goes off the shoulders and your shoulders are exposed, but it's still a nice quality thick material, so it's still going to keep you warm at the same time. It is a long sleeves. And yeah, it's just super cute. And I would probably definitely pair this with like a pair of my brighter sneakers that are black with like some bright colors on it, just to tie more into the springtime. So super cute. I love that set, and I got that in a size small. Okay, so then this next piece that I got is so cute. I love this one so much. At first I was really sad because I thought that it wasn't available in this color on the website, but then I noticed that it was. So this is a really pretty lilac purple color. I don't really have a lot of stuff in this color. It's like a really nice pastel color. Definitely gives me like summer and Easter vibes. So this is a super cute high-waisted skirt. It does have like elastic in the waist, and you can also pull the string to, you know, pull the waist in and tie it in the middle. And then you also have some little faux pockets on the side, which I feel like this just gives your body more curves and more of a shape. The pockets just add a little something extra, and it does have like little silver button details on it. And it is a longer skirt. It's not too short, so I would definitely wear this on a regular day during the summertime or the spring, of course, with some really cute sandals. And if it's a little chilly, you can definitely put on like a little denim jacket with it. So cute. And then it also came with a matching top. So the top to go with it is very simple. It's just like a basic little baby doll crop top short sleeve shirt. So it looks like this, and you can also pair this with other stuff. It'll be super cute paired with some jeans if you just want something in this color, so you can mix and match it, so you can wear it other ways than just as a set. So super cute. I love the color on this, like I said, and the material is really nice. It's a really nice cotton material, and it's also very stretchy as well. And I got this set in a size small, and I believe it also came in like a yellow color as well, more of like that golden yellow. So this is the next piece that I picked up. This is a jumpsuit, super cute. I really like that it has, you know, like the bandeau type of top at the top, so your shoulders and back and stuff will be out. So it's definitely more summer or spring appropriate. You can still put it with a denim jacket or a light little jacket if it's still chilly. And the waist does have some elastic in it, and it has the little string in the middle that you would tie, but the string doesn't cinch the waist in. And it does also have pockets on it. At the bottom on the pants, it does have some ruching on the side. So I think this will be super cute. You can pair it with sneakers or like some really cute sandals or heels to dress it up. You also have a little bit of ruching on the sides as well, if you guys can see that. I think this came in another color. I don't remember what color it was, but I picked the black because I just love things like this to throw on. Really easy to slip on and be out the door. So super cute. And I got that in a small as well. I believe everything that I got was a small. This next piece is another 2-piece set. And I really like the color on this because it's a very bright green color. This is more of a thinner material though. I don't know if you guys will be able to tell on camera or whenever I'm trying it on that you can see through it a bit. But I don't know, like in a way it kind of makes me feel like I would have to wear this like with a swimsuit or something, but then in a way I would kind of wear this as an outfit out, even though it is kind of more breathable and a little bit see-through. So this is how it looks. I love the color on it. It is like biker shorts, but it's like a knitted sweater type material, but it's definitely more thin, like I can see through it. So you guys will see what I mean whenever you see the clip of me trying it on. But I love this color. Definitely slime season appropriate. So those are the shorts. And then this is the top that goes along with this. So it's just a little bandeau type top with the same material and everything like that. It does have elastic around this part, so you don't have to worry about keep pulling it up or anything like that. So super cute. I just really love this color. And if you wear the right garments underneath, I feel like it will be fine to wear out, even though it is kind of see-through. Just put on a nice bra and panties underneath so that it's not like, you don't want to wear like printed panties or something underneath where it's going to be able to be seen. But like a nice black set, you know, panties and bra, you would be able to wear it out and get away with it. So super cute. And then next, all of the last pieces that I have are dresses. I feel like I'm going to be living in dresses this summer because I just feel like dresses are so easy and breathable. I like to wear shorts and stuff too, but dresses are just really simple one-piece type things. So I thought this one was super cute. It has a zipper detailing up the middle, and I also like this little pocket detail. It is a faux pocket, just like it was on the little lilac skirts. And it is ribbed, and it's like a really pretty neon peach color. It looks kind of more orange on camera. I'm not sure how it's coming up for you dolls, but it's super cute. It is lined. I don't know if you dolls can see that, but it definitely has a lining underneath because whenever I hold it up at the bottom, I can kind of see the light through it. But at the top, this part has a lining, so you don't have to worry about that. And then this is how the back is made. So super cute. And I don't know if you guys can see that it kind of goes more in at the waist. I can see that. So it definitely gives you shape, and it's not going to be boxy or anything like that. And I really just liked this really bright corally color. So super cute, and it has silver detailing. Y'all know I love silver jewelry. This next one that I got is definitely a really cute spring dress because it does have like the spaghetti straps. It's a bright pink color. It has the button detailing going down the front. Super cute. And it does have a nice split in it, but then you also have a little arm piece, so it kind of makes it like long sleeves with like the shoulder out. Super cute. This is a nice thick bodycon type material, but more so like a ribbed sweater. I don't know how to explain it, but it's really nice. And then you can also adjust these straps as well. So super great quality. And this came in another color as well, but I got the pink one. And it has a nice split up the front, so super cute. This will be super cute paired with some heels or some sandals to wear on a day out or whatever. So super cute, or even for like date night and stuff like that. This is really sexy as well. So super cute. I picked up this dress in red because I don't feel like I have a lot of red dresses or anything like that. So this is how it looks. This one does have gold button details down the front, and it's just like a nice ribbed type of material. Very bodycon-esque. The buttons do go all the way down the front. It doesn't have like a split detail, and the buttons are like faux buttons, like you can't unbutton it or anything. Super cute. And then the back of the dress is just plain. And it looks like that. And it is like a nice longer material, so you could definitely put this with a jacket. I just thought this was super cute, and I wanted something in red because I don't have a lot of red, so really cute. I picked up this dress, which is one of my favorites. I really like tie-dye patterns and stuff like that. This one is very unique. I don't know if you guys can tell, but the straps are unique and different. Like one side is more skinny and this side is a little bit thicker, which is really cool, you know, those little details. And then it kind of has like a peach, purple, and kind of like a pinky burgundy type color going through it. And then this is the back. And it's just tie-dye and really cute. It does have like a lining underneath it, so you don't have to worry about it being see-through. And this one really fits very tight to your curves and everything like that. So it definitely sucks you in and everything. So this one is a small, and I just thought this was cute to pair with like some of my blinged out slippers or sandals or whatever and wear on a day. So super cute. So yeah, that's everything that I got from No Style, KNOW Style. If you guys have questions, leave them down below, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, dolls.